Struggling to hit the gym even when it's freezing outside? You're not alone. Winter kills motivation faster than a bad playlist. And here's the truth. This season can make you unstoppable. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to stay fired up and consistent even when the temperature drops. Welcome back to the channel. Here, we focused on strength training as well as sustainable habits for beginners and busy professionals. No fluff, no BS, just 20 years of training experience and proven strategies. What's on the menu today, you ask? 7 ways to stay motivated all winter long. Let's get into it. Strategy 1, change your split. Doing the same routine every day over and over again for months on end is a motivation killer. So why not just switch it up a bit? If you're doing, for example, a push-pull legs, why not change it up to a 4-day upper-lower split? Or consider a 3-day full body workout. Just remember, fresh structure equals renewed excitement. Don't be afraid to change things up a little. Strategy 2 is investing in new gear. So new gear isn't just about looks, but think about comfort and functionality as well. I'll give you a few examples. Perhaps you want to take a look at investing in some of those adjustable platforms which allow you to do your elevated heel squats. Maybe even consider a lifting belt if you want to go heavy. So all of these things are examples of gear that you can use to get excited when you go ahead and hit the workouts that are coming up to keep your muscles growing. Strategy 3, gym close to home. When it's cold and dark outside, convenience is king. If you are hitting a gym that's 30 minutes away, that's 30 minutes of excuses. Choose a gym that's 5 or 10 minutes away. Trust me, the closer the gym, the easier it is for you. Plain and simple. Strategy 4, micro goals. Think compounding, and not compounding interest for finance, but compounding results. Micro goals keep you going. 3 workouts per week, or 10,000 steps a day. Perhaps think about 5 pounds more on the bench press in 3 weeks' time. Remember, small wins compound into big results. Fact. Strategy 5, accountability. So step 1, go ahead and find a partner or join this community. Step 2, post your weekly check-in. For instance, 3 workouts this week, check, check, check. No partner, no problem. Just drop a comment. I commit to 3 workouts this week, and I'll reply. Strategy 6 is a big one for me. It's the playlist. So make sure to change up that music because new music can get you even more hype when it comes to going to working out. So go ahead and try that out. I guarantee you that's gonna be a good one. And so strategy 7, the last one, is to reward yourself. So don't just think about rewarding yourself for the PRs, but reward yourself for the process as well. So say you hit up 12 sessions in a row, well, go ahead and treat yourself because that's a huge achievement. So there you have it, folks. Those are my 7 strategies in order for us to stay motivated this winter. And I'll even throw in 2 bonus ones. Since it's so winter outside, just remember hydration. Cold air equals dehydration. So aim for 2 to 3 liters of water per day. And think about sunlight as well because the days are shorter. So perhaps in the morning, try to get more sunlight, or maybe look at getting one of those lamps and 10 to 20 minutes a day just to boost the mood. And even consider taking your vitamin D3 tablets. So that too as well can ensure that you have enough vitamin D in the system to enhance your mood. So go ahead and subscribe for more weekly no BS fitness tips. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite hack for this winter arc? Best comment gets pinned. So remember, train hard, train smart, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.